What's up, pretty weirdo gang, and welcome back to my channel. I am Drinker the Pretty Weirdo, and here on Pretty Weirdo's Fashion, we focus on affordable beauty, travel, and fashion, and a little bit of lifestyle. Y'all, here's Bailey. Excuse that stuff, that's all wedding stuff, but you want to be in the mix, huh? All right, it's me and Bailey today, y'all. But I just got home from work. I'm about to fix me some cereal, eat me an ice cream, and yeah, it's so much stuff to be done. It's so much wedding stuff to be done. The 8th will make officially 5 months out from wedding day. 5 months. But yeah, I just wanted to come to you guys to give y'all a quick little update. But first, let me make my cereal. Okay, y'all, so some of the stuff from Black Friday shopping that we did has come in. Now, I don't know what kind of Black Friday shopping y'all be doing, but me, like, I look for, like, household items that be on sale. I look for, like, anything that I need or I've been needing, I look for it to be on sale. Something in my eye. I don't know what's in my eye. Okay, but I don't look for like stuff that I want. It's always like stuff that I need. Sometimes I look for stuff that I want when I don't have many needs on my list. But this year we have a lot of needs because the wedding is coming up. And sometimes I just like to have stocked household items. So that's some of what I got. So I got stuff from Office Depot. I got stuff from Converse. My fiance got a pair of shoes from Macy's. Got stuff from Amazon. So that's what I'm gonna be unboxing for you guys today. Yeah, so let's see what I got. All right, so into the stuff that I got. First things first is going to be Converse. Got some Converse. Now, I need these. Like I said, I get stuff that I need. So I need these for the wedding. So they're just some all white Converse, and these things look so freaking long. Y'all, my shoe size is in Converse is a 9 in women, so a 7 in men. I don't know, they just look, these are 9 in women, 7 in men, they just look long. Or is it just me? But my feet are pretty big. You know, in Converse, you have to go a half, sometimes a whole size down. But I have to go a whole size down in Converse. But I will be doing some work to these for our wedding. So maybe I'll keep y'all updated. Let me know if y'all interested in seeing what I do to these. Even if y'all aren't, I'll do some snippets, I know for sure, for TikTok. But I got some all white Converse, and they wasn't on sale. They were regular price, so we paid regular price for these. Didn't get a deal. I needed them, so it's a Black Friday, so you just get what you need, and these are what not on sale. So I got Converse. This box is for my fiance. I would open it, but I'm not. Not gonna open it, but this is hers. Her shoes from Macy's. I know what they are. Yeah, those are her shoes. Because my shoes came from somewhere else. Yeah. This is some wedding stuff I know from Amazon. So. Yeah, I don't know what's in my wedding stuff. Foam flowers. Were not on sale. But we got them. That's just all wedding stuff back there, y'all. Okay, on to Office Depot or Office Max. So I'm gonna start with the small box. It's the small box. I actually, when the man pulled up for Office Depot, and I'm like, all this for me? Because I didn't know it was gonna come packaged like this. And I'm sure they have everything packaged individually. So let's see. So this is the first box. Yeah, so do y'all see? Look how big this box is. Look how big this box is. Look what's in it. Look what's in it. Why they give me this big old box for these two things? So it's just hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer. Like, I can't. They could have easily put this in the bag because they delivered it, I'm sure, from the store. I don't know. It was like next day delivery or something. I don't know. But a guy from Office Max came and delivered it. So maybe they shipped it to the store and then shipped it and then, you know, had somebody to deliver it to the house. I don't know. But this is what was in this big old box. Look at it. With why they do that. Whatever. But we keep our hand sanitizer so that we can have it in our car for when we're out. So hand sanitizer is a must. These were on sale for $1-ish. And I was supposed to go pick some. So I have some more bottles that I'm supposed to go pick up from the store. But I have to go up north. And I don't know if I want to go up north to pick them up. And if I don't pick them up by tomorrow, they're going to cancel my order. Which I don't care because they were 25-cent bottles. I got like maybe 3 of those. And they were just fillers for my cart so that I could get free shipping. So we have hand sanitizer. Do y'all like order hand sanitizer? Sorry, y'all. Do y'all order hand sanitizer or do y'all keep a supply of hand sanitizer? Because I think I keep a supply of everything. Like payday, I go out and I get like laundry detergent. So I don't know. It's just something with me having like a supply of it so that I don't have to always run out to the store when we don't have. I can just pull from it. Like body wash, that's my obsession. And I haven't done that in a while. So I make sure like under our bathroom sink, we keep like a bulk load of body wash. And it's time for me to go stock up some. I'll show y'all like what I do for that. So I have this big old box from Office Depot or Office Max. And I know what's in it. Let's see how they packaged it though. Because I have another one It's not as big, but it's still big. I am thin, I am woman. I am sexy, I am fine. What's in here? It's just two things. Two things of paper towel and that big old box. And oh, something is in my eye. So I believe this is like the store brand from Office Depot paper towels, and they're 3-ply paper towels. They're like the small, I don't know what kind of rolls you would call these. I don't really know. Oh, so you can tear a size. So you can tear it like the regular size, or you can tear it like the smaller size paper towels. So I bought 3 of these, and these were on sale. So that's 2. Let me open up the other box. This is the other box. They literally could have saved these boxes. I mean, we recycled them, but still. And then so 3 of those, and those were $6 a piece. And then I have this. This is so heavy. I don't know if you can see that label. It says Tide. Okay, let me just open this for y'all. Like, I used to coupon a lot, so I would have like bulk of stuff. I don't coupon anymore. So, yeah, I just try to catch this because I don't have time to coupon. So this is what I got. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. And those were $6 a piece. So in total from Office Depot, I paid, I think, less than $50 for all of this. And you know, these are like $10 a piece at Walmart. Paper towels, we don't go through as many paper towels as we do toilet tissue, but toilet tissue didn't really have a big sale, so I'll just get that you know, when I go to the store. So yeah, that's what I got for my Black Friday deals so far. The handy hand sanitizer. Okay, all that has come in. We still have some stuff that haven't came in. So when that comes in, I'll do a part 2. Till next time, peace.